We are now going to look at another cable, which we call crossover cable. They are called crossover cable. As I told you before, the crossover Ethernet cable is used to connect same network devices on the same network. Now, in this crossover, one end will be terminated according to standard A, and then the other one be terminated according to standard B. And that's what we call the crossover Ethernet cable. Both ends of the standard should not be the same in the crossover, but in the straight through, both ends of the standard arrangement are always the same. So, using the same procedure, we start by arranging or organizing the pairs in accordance to the standard. In this case, we have this end we are using standard A. That is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. All right. You can see we have arranged them. Now we are going to use the trimmer to make sure that the ends are well trimmed, so that it will be easier for us to push it into the RJ45. Now we push our our wires into the RJ45. You hold it firmly and make sure check. You know this thing, you have to be very careful. At times we can even cut another end of the cable, and we do it afresh so that they are well arranged. So we have done it for the purpose of realigning them effectively. As you can see, they are long enough and can be organized or arranged according to the standard. Final arrange with trim. After trimming the twisted pairs, we insert them into the RJ45. Right? See? That's how it's supposed to be. And then we use the crimping tool to terminate. There you are. Finally, we have terminated it. So, we have terminated this part using standard A. Now, since it's a crossover cable, the other side will be standard B. Standard B. As I've said before, the arrangement, the pairs will be arranged in this order: white, orange, orange, white, green, green, blue. Let me repeat. In standard B, we are going to arrange it in white, orange, orange, followed by white, green, followed by blue, followed by white, blue, followed by green, then white, brown, and finally brown. So we are now arranging the twisted pairs. After arranging the wires, we trim off so that the ends are organized as we push them into the RJ45 pin. We have successfully pushed them with the RJ45 pin. Now we will use the crimping tools to terminate the end. Here we are. So here we have a crossover Ethernet cable. A crossover Ethernet cable uses different standard on both ends, and they are used to connect the same network devices on the same network. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.